Hey, so I am going to show you how to factory reset Google Home Mini. First of all, if you want to get rid of the home, you can just go to the Google Home Mini app and you can delete the home from there if you want to. But this video is going to actually show you how to just factory reset the actual Google Home Mini. So I have it here. You can see it's plugged in. Literally, all you do is turn it over, and right here, you see that circle right here? It's kind of hard to see on camera, but you can see here's the Google logo, and right there, press and hold it. You'll hear a little click.
You're about to completely reset Google Home. To cancel, release the button.
I'm going to keep it held in.
Welcome to Google Home.
Okay, so I know it seemed like I was holding that forever, but as you just heard, it said, welcome to Google Home. And when you hear that, that's a confirmation you know it's actually been factory reset. So that's how you do it. Please give this video a thumbs up and please share. Thanks for watching.